Hello everyone. Today we will discuss how to be happy in bad mood. We all have days when we find ourselves in a bad mood, but there are strategies you can use to lift your spirits and improve your mood. Here are some tips that may help you make yourself happy. The first step in improving your mood is to acknowledge your feelings. It is okay to feel down or upset at times. Try to identify the source of your bad mood. Are you stressed about work, a personal issue, or something else entirely? Understanding the root cause is important. Exercise is powerful mood enhancer. Even a short walk or a quick workout can release endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Mindfulness and meditation techniques can help you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings. By focusing on the present moment and practicing deep breathing, you can reduce stress. Music has a profound impact on our emotions. Listening to your favorite songs can quickly shift your mood and bring a sense of positivity. Sing along if you can. Negative self talk can add to the bad mood. Challenge and reframe negative thoughts. Focus on what's going right and what you can do to improve your situation. Reaching out to friends and family members can be a mood booster. Sharing your feelings with someone you trust can make a big difference. Doing activities that bring you joy and relaxation can be an excellent way to improve your mood. From reading a book to watching a favorite movie to spending time with pets, do what makes you happy. Thanks for being with us.